Hey learner, this is Nilesh Porate. So hopes you have to download and install this Android Studio successfully. So before going to start the new Android Studio project, so first we configure some changes to this Android Studio. So click on this configure and click on this setting menu. So see here, after clicking, one window will appear. So on left panel here we select this appears and behavior section. So on that here we'll click on this system setting and choose here the update. So normally here option is that the stable channel, which is by default. So click apply if you have made a change, but in my case I didn't need to. The next thing to do in come down here to editor. See here, expand this. So going to this general section, expand general. So there is auto import option. So here we'll check add unambiguous import on the fly and also check optimize import on the fly and click here apply. Next here we choose the appearance. So here we click this show line number option and also check show method separators. Next clicking on this code folding. So here we uncheck the following options. First one is that the file header, uncheck, imports, uncheck, one line method, uncheck, closures, uncheck, generic constructor, uncheck, so when you start the development in Android Studio, generally that's a good idea, because what they are is when they are checked and they are more for the advanced programmer and they actually hide the code. So it can be confusing if you are not experienced using the Android Studio. So I am going to leave them unchecked, but you can obviously decide what you want to do there. So click on OK. Now just a note here. OK. So alright, at this point we are done now with the configuration. So here we create a new project. So click on start a new Android Studio project. So see here, this is some templates available. So on tab menu, phone and tablets, Wear OS, TV, automotive, Android things. So here we choose the first one, phone and tablet. So see here, there are also more themes available. So for initial level, here we choose the basic activity or the empty activity. Now here we choose the empty activity and click on next button. So see here, this is your application name. So here we type my application name is that the Hello World, and this is your package name separated by dot. So every dot they appear one folder. So com folder. So inside com folder there is an example folder, then Hello World folder. So this is your the program location, C drive, user Lenovo, and here default language is that the Kotlin. Okay, so now here tutorial is in Kotlin language. So here we choose my default language is that the Kotlin language. So see here, minimum SDK version is that the API level 16, Android 4.1 JLP. So this is your minimum API level version, means your program is run on minimum Android 4.1 version. There is no limit of a maximum. We only set the minimum level. So see here 99.8% of devices run your applications. So see here, if you select some higher version like 21, API level 21, see here 94% devices run. Again, if you select 8.0, see 60% of devices run your application. So here we choose some minimum level is that. So see here we choose this 16 or 17 API level Jelly Bean, okay, and click on the finish. So after click on finish, they take some lot of time to creating the first application, downloading some files from internet and loading some configuration files. So wait till completion. So see here, this is your first welcome window. So on left hand side, these are some your projects explorer files. On in center, this is your default main activity program, okay, and on right side there are some hint. This is welcome window. So here we minimize this section and here we change the theme. So going to file, settings, editor, then color scheme. So here we change default, apply. Yes, okay. So see here on bottom some Gradle downloading some zip files. So wait for Idle Studio. So initially the first project will take time, so wait until done. So see here, so my project is in idle mode. So initially they take the 15 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed and your configuration of your machine. So see here on left panel, this is your app folder and these two files here open, activity main.xml and main activity.extension is that the KT. KT means that this is a Kotlin file. If you choose the language is the Java, then main activity.java file. So here we choose my language is that the Kotlin language. So if my file is not there, then see here where is my file location. So see here in app folder, explore this Java folder and inside this Java folder, see here this is com.example.hello-world and this is your main activity. So this is your file. So this file is located in this location and same here XML file is in, this is your res folder. So explore this, going to this layout, this is your activity main.xml file. So this file is used in the designing purpose and .kt file means that this Kotlin file is used to develop this application. By using this Kotlin language we interact this design page, okay. So by default this is the hello world program, so there is no need to write anything here. So if you create the first application, then by default application is the hello world application. Our next video we will discuss about this Android Studio features. So till if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.